Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hello, my name is Tony. I'm working with a company called Dogness. We roll out the newest product for our smart pet products. And here's our newest product developments. We have LED light collars that you can fit for any size of dog. We have the various sizes of it. You can just hit the switch or change the color. And the unique thing is the add-on for the GPS tracker is using the newest 4G bandwidth, so you can track your pets up to 50 miles away. And then we have a different channel underneath, like 3 different panels. So if the dog is to go into the building or under the parking lot, you will still be able to track it under the concrete. You will not have any signal interference. And for the GPS tracker, you also come with this a pet charger, so you can just wirelessly charging your product, and if it's ready to go, it will show you the glowing light. Says ready, good to go.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.